Welcome to my channel. Today we will make apple pie with custard. The pie turns out very fluffy and fragrant, and the cream gives the pie tenderness and juiciness. First you need to prepare the custard. The cream should be thick. If the cream is very liquid, it will not harden it in our pie. Transfer the finished cream into a bowl and let it cool completely. Beat the egg until liquid form. The mixture should turn white. This will make your cake fluffier. The finished apple pie with cream must cool completely in the mold. About 20 minutes it's enough, after which it can be removed. Apple pie can be sprinkled with powdered sugar or cinnamon.